What if someone could heal instantly? Science Unleashed explores regeneration, biology, and what happens when the body repairs itself faster than damage can occur. And today we're what if someone had instant healing for an entire month? Human healing normally involves immune response, cell repair, and tissue regeneration over days or weeks according to the National Institutes of Health Wound Healing Research. If you like science imagination breakdowns, like, share, and subscribe because healing changes the meaning of risk entirely. What would actually happen if injuries closed instantly and the body restored itself immediately? In the first few days, physical activity might increase because fear of injury decreases. By week 1, experimentation with physical limits would likely increase. By week 2, psychological effects could appear, including reduced caution. By week 3, understanding of pain might change because damage no longer accumulates. By day 30, behavior would likely shift significantly because consequences of injury are removed. The lesson is that pain exists to protect, not to punish. What would happen if healing worked only for physical injuries but not internal damage? This is a fictional biology scenario and not based on real human capability. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Thanks for staying through the breakdown. And if you enjoyed it, check out more science explorations and help support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.